Hello everyone. Today we are stepping into the exciting world of Regex, the secret language for finding and managing text in programming. And we are going to use Regex in JavaScript, or you can say ECMAScript. So for this we will use this Regex 101 site. And also we need to choose flavor as ECMAScript. So let's start our adventure with this special patterns. Now, first questions, the first question come into mind is like, what is regex? Regex, short for regular expressions, is like detective tool in programming. It helps us find, match, and play with text in super smart ways. So think of it as a magnifying glass for your text. So now let's go to. So I'm already on the regex 101, but you can also open in your system and make sure you select the ECMAScript because that's what we use in JavaScript. So ready to try our first pattern? So let's dive in. Okay. So first let's talk about literals. So say something like if I type something like cat in our regex box and test it with the string something like the cat sat on the mat. Okay, the word cat gets highlighted as you can see here. This is because literals are the exact text matches, and in explanation also you can see what it matches, and it kind of gives you the explanation about cat matches the characters cat literally and also in case sensitive manner. So if let's say if I type something like capital C, it won't match. Okay, so now also it shows the some information that what it does if it is finding any or if it is not. Okay, so it's a nice to have to check your regex patterns. Now moving forward, um, let's do something more with it. Let's try to find a star in a string called, let's say, a star shines bright. Okay, so see how again it selected or matched the star. Okay, star characters, or let's say the word, it found it and it shows a match one here. So again, like, let's say mm, if I type star, then it doesn't match, right? So there are a couple of things that we need to set if you want to match multiple similar string or literals in this case. Then we need to select few more things, but we will take it later. And now after this we matched just literals, but if I need to find, I can use control F and do the trick as well, right, wherever I want. So why do I do this? Or like if it's JavaScript programmatically we can find the same text in string with some functions. Okay, but here this was the simple example, but moving forward we are going to see a special character. Okay, so now let's check out a special character, the dot, or we can say like dot. Okay, this symbol basically matches any single character except a new line, and it works like a wild card in a card games. So now let me type something like b dot t. Okay, so what it indicates here, I can type b, then any character, and then t, and it need to be the single character only. It matches single character. So if I put something like this, so you can see like it matches with only three characters, and the dot indicates the between character over here, like between b and t. It can be anything like a, then c, and it can be uh, t as well. So that is why it was highlighted, otherwise it won't. So it need to be at least three character as per this pattern, and that dot matches any character in between B and T. So this is all for the dot character. Okay. Now that's our intro to regex in JavaScript, where we looked at literals and the dot. So in our next video, we will explore more of these special patterns. And remember, regex can seem tricky, but it's really fun one once you get the hang of it. Okay. So that's all for now. Play around with regex 101 and have fun with your strings. So until next time, and happy coding.